Grow the sweetest corn at home, a beginner's guide. Hey there, fellow gardeners. Ever dream of biting into a juicy, sweet ear of corn, fresh from your own backyard? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing sweet corn at home. Get ready to learn everything you need to know, from choosing the perfect variety to harvesting your delicious reward. Let's talk corn. There are so many different types of sweet corn seeds available. It can be a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down. We have standard sweet corn, sugary enhanced, SE, and super sweet varieties. Standard sweet corn is classic, while SE varieties offer improved sweetness and tenderness. Super sweet corn is the sweetest of all, but it needs to be isolated from other types to maintain its sugary goodness. For home gardens, I recommend looking for varieties that are known for their disease resistance and adaptability to your local climate. Check your local garden center or reputable online seed supplier for recommendations. If you have a shorter growing season, consider early maturing varieties. These will give you a head start and ensure you get a harvest before the first frost. Remember to always buy your seeds from a trusted source to ensure quality and germination rates. Now let's get our hands dirty and plant some corn. Sweet corn needs plenty of sunshine to thrive. Aim for at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Choose a location in your garden that gets full sun throughout the day. This will ensure your corn stalks grow tall and strong. Sweet corn also needs well-drained, fertile soil. Before planting, amend your soil with plenty of compost or well-rotted manure. This will provide essential nutrients and improve drainage. Here's a crucial tip. Plant your corn in blocks, not rows. This helps with pollination. Corn is wind-pollinated, so planting in a block ensures the pollen can easily reach all the silks. Now for the fun part, planting. Sow your corn seeds directly into the ground. Follow the spacing recommendations on your seed packet. Generally, you'll want to space seeds about 6-12 inches apart in rows that are 2-3 feet apart. Plant the seeds about 1-2 inches deep. Make sure the soil temperature is at least 60 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius, for optimal germination. If you want a continuous harvest, consider succession planting. Plant a new batch of seeds every 2-3 weeks. Water is key to growing healthy sweet corn. Consistent watering is especially important during tasseling, when the tassels appear, and silking, when the silks emerge from the ears. Water deeply and regularly, aiming to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Avoid wetting the foliage, as this can encourage fungal diseases. Sweet corn is a heavy feeder, so it needs plenty of nutrients. Fertilize your corn plants regularly throughout the growing season. I recommend using a balanced fertilizer or side dressing with nitrogen fertilizer. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for application rates. Apply fertilizer along the rows of corn, being careful not to get it on the leaves. Unfortunately, sweet corn can be susceptible to pests and diseases, but don't worry, we can manage them. Some common corn pests include corn earworms and aphids. For organic pest control, try hand-picking pests off the plants or using insecticidal soap. Bacillus thuringiensis, BT, is also effective against corn earworms. Common corn diseases include fungal leaf spots. To prevent diseases, ensure good air circulation around your plants. Space your plants properly and avoid overhead watering. Early detection is key. Regularly inspect your corn plants for signs of pests or diseases. The sooner you catch a problem, the easier it will be to manage. The moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting. Knowing when your corn is ripe is crucial for that perfect sweet taste. Look for these signs of ripeness. The silks should be brown and dry. The ears should feel plump and full. To harvest, grasp the ear firmly and twist and pull downwards. The ear should easily snap off the stalk. The most important tip: eat or process your corn as soon as possible after harvesting. The sugars in sweet corn start converting to starch very quickly after picking, so the sooner you enjoy it, the sweeter it will be. Want to take your corn growing to the next level? Here are a few extra tips and tricks. Consider companion planting. Beans and squash are great companions for corn. They can help improve soil health and deter pests. If you're growing heirloom varieties, you can save seeds for next year. Allow some ears to fully mature on the stalk. Then dry the kernels and store them in a cool, dry place. Don't be discouraged if you encounter some problems along the way. Growing corn can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know to grow delicious sweet corn at home. Remember these key steps. Choose the right variety, plant in full sun and well-drained soil, water and fertilize regularly, manage pests and diseases, and harvest at the peak of ripeness. Now it's your turn. Get out there, plant some corn, and enjoy the sweet taste of your own homegrown harvest. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks.